Hey guys, how's it going? I apologize for this clickbait video, but when I went to Las Vegas, I met up with Graham Stephan and Jeremy, and I also visit Planet 13. This is why I kind of included in the video. Oops, I knocked over my mic. So this is why I included in the video because, but can you imagine though if Graham went on and started talking about Planet 13? I wonder what the stock price would do. I honestly don't think it would do very much, simply because I really don't think retail investors control the market, and big money really does. So even if Graham went on and he talked positively about Planet 13, it might spike the stock 10 to 20%, but it'll get faded real quick. Simply because short sellers will come in and short it because they're like, oh, it's overvalued. So unless billionaires all of a sudden decide to get it and decide to pump up the Planet 13 stock, Planet 13 is not going to go up that much higher. So that's what I believe. So even if Graham Stephan promoted Planet 13, this is just a theory, not 100%. I still don't think the stock would go up massively because most people that are watching his shows is probably retail investors. Sure, there's maybe a few billionaires in there, but mostly I think, it's retail investors, and billionaires not gonna pump Planet 13 simply because there's a lot of insiders and a lot of retail investors involved in this, and if they pumped it up, a lot of retail investors / insiders are going to get super rich from it. So I don't think big money is interested in transferring wealth to insiders and retail investors of Planet 13. That's my opinion. But who knows? Maybe Planet 13 will keep going up. If Jeremy said, oh, I'm going to put $100,000 into Planet 13, I still don't think Planet 13 would move up very much. I mean, a little bit more, because a bunch of retail investors will do the same thing, and they'll all pump as much money as they can into Planet 13, and it might spike a little bit. It might spike, but Jeremy might get in trouble big time for pumping Planet 13. Maybe not. I don't know at the end of the day, but I think if Jeremy put $100,000 into Planet 13, I think we could hit $2.60. But right now, from a charting perspective, Planet 13 looks like it's going to fall. The volume is completely dried up. There's absolutely no interest in Planet 13 right now. And I think it's going to fall. But comment down below. Tell me that you think that it's going to keep going up. Tell me that give me a reason why you think it's going to keep coming up. Oh, they announced a $10 million bought deal public offering. Oh, so they did raise money. Interesting. The stocks usually fall when you raise money, but this didn't really fall. I think it will fall though. I think Planet 13 is heading down further. This is my opinion anyways. If you're watching this, please do a video on Hertz. I would love to hear your thoughts on it, simply because it makes no sense, and I think investors need to understand what they're doing, and you are the king of retail investors, so you should really warn people that, Hertz is going bankrupt. But there was some news now. Hertz is killing the share sale, and so they're not going to be diluting shareholders and make them lose all their money. Maybe the SEC say, you can't do this. You can't make retail investors lose all their money. And then Hertz probably backed off from it. So, I don't at the end of the day, I still don't get why Hertz is at $1.74 right now. It should have dropped dramatically. I think everyone should bail out of Hertz, but who knows? Maybe Hertz tomorrow, Hertz will go down to 50 cents, 90 cents. That's a possibility. Genesis Brands International down 14 cents. NEO, up 5 cents, just like I predicted. I told you that it looks like the uptrend is strong and it's going to go up higher. And the only thing that will break this uptrend is if Tesla stock crash. If Tesla stock crashes, I think NEO will go back to $3 to $2, but that's only if Tesla stock crash. If it doesn't, NEO is heading higher. I think in the near future here, we're going to see $10 from NEO stock. I could be wrong. This is speculation on my part. Canopy growth, up 2 cents after hours. Obviously, there's still a lot of love for Canopy, regardless of it being, in my opinion, overvalued. I think Canopy is overvalued compared to, Aurora, to the rest of the industry. How does one company be more valuable than basically the entire Canadian market? It just, valuation, it makes absolutely no sense, but that's the reality of it. Aurora down. I mean, yeah, they do have big investors. They have Constellation brand, that's a pretty big investor. Aurora seems to be trading sideways. I don't know, maybe Aurora is a buying opportunity right now, or Aurora is heading down further. My bet is Aurora is heading down further. Could be wrong. We'll see what happens. This is just speculation on my part. Cron is probably going to trade sideways and be volatile, but ultimately I think Cron is heading lower too. Same with Tilray. I think, Tilray is kind of at a sweet spot. It could mean, I think it's going to head lower, but maybe it won't. Maybe maybe big money will pump it back. $20? Wow, I can't believe it was just $20 6 months ago. That's insane. Afria, I think Afria is heading lower. That's my opinion. We'll see if that happens. Carnival Corporation. I made a nice swing trade on this today. I made 120% profit. Basically, right in the morning, I bought call options when it was sitting at 8.11, and then suddenly it popped all the way up to $19.36. I sold my call options for 110%. And then as soon as I bought my call option, I put a placement for a put option right away because I knew that the stock was going to be volatile. And I am up a little bit on it. If tomorrow, if it skyrockets, then I will probably add on to that put option because I still think that Carnival is going to be very, very volatile. And my put option is at $19, so I'm not too worried about losing my entire position because I'm in the money. It could go out of the money, but it could go back right into the money again. I have no idea what's going to do. Tomorrow is a dangerous day to trade because it's the last day, and near the end of the day, it's going to either expire worthless or not. So tomorrow is definitely a dangerous day to be trading that. American Airlines down 4 cents. Boeing down 45 cents. Not too much to say about that. Tesla is down $1.87. Tesla, I'm bearish on Tesla. I think Tesla is in a big giant bubble, but even if it's in a big giant bubble, it doesn't matter. If big money wants to push it up, it will push it up. Nikola Motors. I'm also bearish on Nikola Motors. I think it's overvalued, and the rest of YouTube thinks it's overvalued. But yet the stock price just keeps grinding up and down. Like, it won't drop dramatically. It'll just move back and forth. So, it's just been trading sideways. And like just this past week, there's just been so much negativity on Nikola Motors, and I think could be potentially an easy trade. Like, you can, if it dips real bad, just buy some stock and then just sell some stock because it's very volatile, which makes it attractive, in my opinion. For the short term, I think it's gonna probably go down, but if it heads up higher, maybe buy a put option. Not financial advice, just my opinion. NEO up 6 cents. Not too much to say about that. GameStop, massive rally near the end of the day. Can't really explain it. Big volume buy too. So yeah. GameStop again. Hexo. I bought a little bit more Hexo today. It may keep going down. I'm basically buying a falling knife. But I do believe that Hexo will be part of the MJ future and it won't go bankrupt simply because they raised $100 million. And if my apologies, I believe that one day it will go back over $1 again, or it'll do a reverse split. But you know, whatever, reverse split, I still have the same amount of shares, and I believe that Hexo will always be more valuable than Organigram. That's why a lot of people say Organigram is a good buy because of the market cap. GameStop after hours is down 5 cents or 8 cents right now. I don't know what's gonna do. I seriously don't. I still have a position with GameStop, and I am 100% comfortable to lose that entire position. I'm willing to bet that GameStop management can turn this company around. And if it drops dramatically, I'm going to buy some more. And then I'm going to swing trade it. But I have a position where I'm comfortable of losing that amount if it keeps going down. I don't know what it's going to do, but I do have a long-term position on it. I want to believe in the long term. I believe that there's potential, but the digital world scares me because everything is going digital right now. Beyond Meat is down or trading sideways. In pre-markets, things are a little red. I think the markets are going to be volatile for the next few days. For like a next week. You know what? July is going to be a very interesting month because earnings are coming out in July, August, and September is the main 3 months for earnings. And everyone knows, if people are studying this market, they know that earnings are going to be bad. They're going to be horrible. Is that going to affect the stock market in a negative way? Are we going to see new 52-week highs? I wonder. Because earnings are coming up, and I know for a fact that earnings are going to be bad across the board for like 90% of the companies on the stock market. And that should affect the stock market in a negative way, but will it? I have no idea. We'll see what happens. I guess Ianthus was a buying opportunity when it crashed. When it crashed down to 28 cents, it was a buying opportunity because you could have made an easy, 12% return on investment. Liberal Health Science just trading sideways. Cresco Labs had a nice 4% pop today. True Eve has just trading sideways. Kira is not up 7%. That's pretty good. I heard Selex is going to be joining Kira, but so that's probably the reason why the market is rallying on Kira. I don't really have too much to say. I think that's it for my video. Could show you more stocks, but that's a little boring. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.